Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got a fresh haircut and about a day's worth of growth. I figured I'll do one today. It's Thursday. I missed out yesterday. Today's shave soap is going to be by Strike Gold Shave, and it's 3-ring Circus. You guys have seen this on the channel before. It's that pleasurable cotton candy scent. There's what the soap looks like. I imagine this soap's going to last a long time because I only use 1/4 teaspoon in 14 mils of water. I'll have the matching splash, some Star Jelly for the post-shave routine, and I'm going to be using this Solingen 3-star, best quality, all these other things. This German razor. Let's see here, can I get need some sugar, thumbnail. And anyway, I thought the 3-star and the 3-ring kind of went together. I'm needing a shave, and I thought, you know, I'll do a straight razor shave today. I already have that whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. Here it is. And I'm using this monstrous shave brush. Mercy. Leon had talked about a 30 millimeter boar brush, or boar knot. So I ordered one, and I had some firewood sitting around, and I decided I would turn this handle out of some black walnut, and it's definitely got a unique pattern to it. I kind of duped one of the older style shave brushes, and I thought, in order to get this massive of a knot in here, you've got to have this bigger area, and I made that kind of matching, and it feels decent in the hand. It's probably just a little bit too long, but this knot, if you can get it to splay, is quite large. So I have found that it works better as a painter for me. I just can't, even though it's soft, there's just a lot of bristles there. And I've went through my break-in process with it, and I feel like it's broken in. Maybe it's just a really tall, lofty knot. But if you see the picture, I'll put a picture right here, right now, of everything I've used in the shave video. You'll see what I'm talking about. I don't know. It's just, it's not a shape of handle that I'm used to. So it's a little different when it comes to that. All right. Let me get a little bit of shave soap up in there, because I can never get it there. And if I do, my ear is full. All right, here we go with pass number 1 with the grain. I noticed I did have a little bit of mineral oil still left on the blade, but that's okay. Pass number 1 with the grain. I feel like I'm off a little bit on my, where I'm at. Or from where I'm normally standing with the camera. I'm just going to do my down passes here. Even though that's kind of going across the grain. So far, so good. I didn't wet the razor. Probably should have. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. So the whole knee thing, feel like kind of doing a little roller coaster with it. There's times that I'm like, oh yeah, this feels great. And then there's times I'm like, ooh, this doesn't feel so good. So I feel like it's just part of the healing process. It's still kind of swollen. Did a follow-up with my doctor on Monday. He said everything looks to be going great with it. And I still have to wear the leg brace. But he, it's one of those, I don't know if you've ever seen them. On the sides, it's got the little lockout mechanism. And instead of it being locked straight, he moved it to the 50 percentile, which is, if this is your leg, you know, like 90 is like bent like this. So we're somewhere in the middle, just a little bit past 45. And I can do it, you know, if I'm sitting in the chair or laying down, I can easily get that. If I manually move my hand, arm, look at that little hair. It's natural. That's normal when you're breaking in a brush and stuff. I haven't really lost too many hairs out of it. You notice how I'm getting sidetracked. Anyway, so just with moving it with my leg, it's still very, it feels very tight and all that kind of stuff. So it hurts, you know, and if I move it with my arms or hands, it's not so bad. And I think that's because I'm taking the pressure off of that torn tendon or whatever it was in there. So I've been trying to do some of those things, and I need to go across the grain for pass number 2. So waiting on physical therapy, place to call me back. And I'm sure when that gets started, a whole lot of new feelings will emerge. All right. See if I can switch hands here. I really like this razor. See if I can cut that dude off. No, I don't want to do that. Yep, I'm just ready for the whole knee healing experience to be over and done with. A little jumpy right there. Those are some of my sensitive spots. Right in here and here is usually the spots that don't go over so well. But I have noticed with the straight razor shaving, I get less irritation in those areas. So let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. What a nice shave. No nicks, gushers, weepers, bleeders, any of that stuff. That's always a good thing. All I will fully enjoy that splash as soon as the alcohol scent evaporates. Nothing like a little Star Jelly to seal the deal. All right, well, that's the shave for the day. I will see you guys on Sunday's shave video. You have a great rest of your week.